Welcome back to Harbro Freight. Quality videos, lowest prices. And today we have, I wish I had a drum roll. We have our dollar days. New dollar days starting tomorrow, going through the 24th. If you find these useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. Let's go ahead and get started. Starting with the Pittsburgh 2¼ inch, 15-pound suction cup lifter. $1, normally $4. 75% off. Steal of a deal for a suction cup lifter. Very specific. $4 isn't too bad, but for $1 you can get two, because sometimes you need two. Solid choice. Next, dollar days. 8.5 foot by 3/4 inch double-sided mounting tape. Also $1. Normally $2, 50% off. Another super solid choice. These are one of the things that you can use really for like wire management or a lot of storage type of ideas. You never know when you're going to need some double-sided tape and or the things you can use it for. It just helps you put things on walls, helps you put wires underneath, helps you stick things to make space on your desk and get them out of the way, because technically the bottom of your desk is also a place to store things. Next, Quinn Alert razor blades, 10-pack, also $1, normally $2, 49% off. Great deal there. Then we have paint trimmer, also $1, normally $2, also 49% off. Solid. Then we have the 3 to 2 prong grounding adapter, 2-pack. Again, not Shakur. Normally $2, 49% off. This is super interesting. What is this? 3 to 2 prong grounding adapter pack. Hey, if you're in need, this is the time to get it. Warrior 2 7/8 inch magnetic bit holder, $2, 19% off. So only 50 cents off. Not Curtis Jackson, but not too bad of a discount. 19%. They spoiled us. We're 74, 49, 49, 49, 49, and then went down to 19%. But that's okay. We'll keep going. Pittsburgh 6-in-1 screwdriver nut driver for $2. Excellent at driving nuts. 19% off. These are included sometimes in the free items. And at $2 at only 19% off, not the greatest deal, but not too bad to pick up. Next, Bunker Hill Security 30 caliber ammo box, $3, 57% off. Normally $7. That's a steal of a deal if you ask me. For $3, deal of a deal. Bunker Hill Security. Next, Pittsburgh Truck RV dual head tire gauge, $3, 43% off. And this is excellent. At $3 for one of those convenient things that you need to have just to do a quick check on your tire pressure is always clutch, unless your car is telling you exactly what it's at. But important to keep your tires inflated. Important to know what your tire pressures are at so you don't get a flat tire and you waste a perfectly good tire. You have to spend $100, $150, maybe more on a tire. So check your tire pressure. Also, make sure they're properly inflated so you can save on gas. Next, Western Safety hard cap knee pads. You know what you need these for. $3, $4 normally, 24% off. Decent discount. Hardy pigskin leather work gloves at $4, normally $6, 33% off. Solid deal. We've seen higher percentage off though before off of Hardy, but that's okay. 33% is not too bad. Next, Storehouse L-shape hang all 2-pack. Shakur is only $3, normally $5, 39% off, so solid. Adjustable pin spanner wrench, $4, normally $7, 42% off. Really good discount. Followed up by the same discount, Gordon Alert, the 3-inch skeleton frame pocket knife, normally $7, which is already kind of a steal. But 42% off, down to $4. This is one, get it. You can use it as an envelope opener, a box opener. It's kind of handy just to have a knife on you, on your person, because it just comes really handy. You need a sharp blade to get to things at times. Stop using your keys. Next, Ames non-contact voltage tester. And I believe this has come up before and it got rave reviews from you in the comments. $4. Normally $5, so not the greatest discount, 19% off, but it did get rave reviews, and maybe that's why they're putting it on sale again. $4, not too bad. Then we have the 8-foot and 6-inch by 11-foot and 4-inch all-purpose weather-resistant tarp at $5, tested on Project Farm, at least one of the tarps. Normally $7, down to $5, 28% off, not too bad. And more Gordon. We're being Gordon spoiled. 18-inch machete with serrated blade, $5, normally $7, 28% off. Sheath is included. Make note. Braun, 250 lumen portable folding LED work light, $5, normally $8, 37% off. And this is up there with those Braun sales. That does happen here and there. 40% off Braun. So this is a good deal. It's essentially what the best discount is on these. So solid grab at $5. Next, the 24-ounce Pittsburgh ball peen hammer. For a ball peen hammer, the Icon ones get pretty pricey. With 25% off, they're still pretty pricey compared to this Pittsburgh with a lifetime warranty. $5, normally $7, which is already pretty affordable, but 28% off at $5 and a lifetime warranty. These are the ones that get me. Super solid deal. Pittsburgh, one day you might earn a Pittsburgh alert. You're just not there yet. Vulcan, 0.035 inches, ER404, 3 MIG solid welding wire, 1 pound roll, $6. Normally $12, so basically 50% off. I see you, Vulcan. Very specific. Maybe you're welding a lot, but 50% is where is I would say the sweet spot. That's as big as a discount gets. So super solid deal on this. Then we have the Hallmaster 3,333 pound capacity, 24-inch by 2-inch axle strap with D-rings. These D-rings are a little bit different than what you're thinking. $6, normally $10, 40% off, 39% off. Solid deal there. And then we have the Hallmaster 1 7/8 inch by 3/4 inch steel ball hitch, $6, normally $8, 24% off. Then with the Merlin air blow gun with extensions, 5-piece, $7, normally $9, 22% off. And then we end it with Pittsburgh screwdriver set, 8-piece for $8, normally $10, almost 20% off. You're getting each screwdriver for $1, and it's a lifetime warranty. So if you break one, you can just go get a new one. Excellent deal, excellent value. And those are our dollar days. I would say pretty solid. No US General alert, no Icon alert. Pittsburgh always working on it. Solid ball peen hammer. Braun lights are always fun. Gordon with their knife. Ames with their voltage tester. Dual head tire gauge. The $3 ammo box. I want to say some solid deals. Any of these that you'll pick up. Again, this is going through the 24th. Hopefully you've had good luck shopping for your Icon sales, which is still going on through the 14th. Just a friendly reminder, super coupons going on for a few more days, dollar days, starting tomorrow. The Badlands winch deal with the free road shock light, up to $200 value, solid. Instant savings going on through October. And we'll take a sneak peek at some of the new tools. And there's a new Maddox variable pin spanner, wrench, new product, $30, universal spanner wrench, fits most types of camshaft, crankshaft, pulleys. Always good to see new Maddox tools. There's always I've seen a couple 40% off over the last 12 months, so they do come out 40% off. That's what you got to look for Maddox. This one we showed the other day, it's now on the website, at least under new tools, the Icon Professional 10mm socket set, 4-piece. You've probably already lost your 10mm socket. Since the last video, someone mentioned in the comments that now we can get these at a pro level, which is absolutely true. And I think we've seen the rest. Anyways, happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there with your deals. And as soon as I find some more deals, I will send them your way.